Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the source of all that be, the embodiment of bliss, destination of the pure devotee. He's the all-pervading truth, the eternally existing you, and he comes to take you home. Yes, he comes to take you home. Of the splendid he is splendor, he is victory and adventure. He's the good quality in all righteous men. Of creation, he's beginning, middle, and end. Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Of the senses, he's the mind. Among men, he is the monarch. Of subduers, he is time. Of secrets, he is silence, and he comes to end the violence that terrifies the earth. Yes, he's come and taken birth. In the sound of his holy name, the Lord and his name are the same. That's the nature of the Absolute. And he comes to give his truth as he plays upon his flute. Splendid he is splendor, he is victory and adventure. He's the good quality in all righteous men. And his love will never end. And his love will never end. Krishna, the Supreme Personality